We are in the middle of doing between 25 and 30 free video tutorials on the Singer Confidence Quilter model 7469Q. And you're going to hear me talk about creating a stitch book. So what is a stitch book? A stitch book is taking all the stitches that are on your machine and just stitching a row of them. We're going to link to a video below that you'll be able to access of a video that's part of our Stitching Cosmos online course. So if you're interested in learning more about sewing techniques and accessory feet, definitely check out this course. But one of their homework for these students is to stitch a stitch book. When you see the stitches that you have in this machine stitched out on fabric with thread, you're going to be amazed. They're gonna look so much better than just pictured in your book or looking at the pictures on the stitch guide. It is a total difference. It's game-changing time. It also will give you a small project to work on if this is a brand new machine for you. So I invite you to follow the directions, take some fabric, put some stabilizer behind it, and start sewing out the stitches. You're going to get comfortable with your machine. You're going to get comfortable with how to get around to those different stitches. And if you want, you could even try changing some of the settings, like making it narrower, wider, longer, or shorter, and see what variations that you can do with just the 98 stitches that you have built into this machine. We're going to take even some of your utility stitches and make them look like decorative stitches. You might even find yourself picking up some variegated thread and having some fun colors for you to work with as you try out all these decorative stitches. So if you're interested in learning more, definitely check out our online course for the Stitching Cosmos class that we have offered. It's like inviting me to your sewing room. We get to hang out together. You can ask me questions too. It is so much fun. But take the time, stitch out your stitch book, send me a picture of your finished stitches. I'd love to see it.